Hello, my name is Robin, and I got a simple question for you. When was the last time your requirements were tip-top up to date as per the code implemented? Hmm, never, right? Exactly that is why we built this feature. You can just connect TestZeus to your own code base. It will import your code base, generate test cases for you, fresh and hot, and test your application end to end. So let's see how it works. Let's see how best we can generate code bases directly from the GitHub code base. So today for our example, we will be using the Trailhead GitHub code base for e-bikes manufacturing website. So this is a demo website built on top of Salesforce as an e-commerce platform, just using LWR and LWCs. This is what it looks like. So basically, a simple e-commerce website for e-bikes built on top of Salesforce, where you can do order and inventory management for products. So we'll use this demo code base to generate the test cases. In order to do that, first we have to ensure that TestZeus and your GitHub are integrated through a connection. You can go to connections, click on connect, select GitHub, and then complete the steps, which we have covered in another video. As we can see, I've already created a connection with my GitHub code base. Now, in order to use this code base to generate test cases, I can create an environment over here. I'll click on new environment, give it a name, bytes, GitHub code base. You can put up any environment name, and maybe I'll just say staging, because today maybe we want to generate the code bases from our staging code base. So once you click on the create, as you can see, we are on the new environment screen. I can select the source code, and this is the important part, wherein I can select the integration as per the previous step. I can select which repository I want to use for generating the code bases and the branch. So maybe I'm generating the code bases from the main branch today, and click on the add code base button. Once this is done, I can click on save, and this will update the environment for all the test artifacts. It comes up over here. The next step to generate the test cases from this code base are very simple. Go to tests, click on magic test button. Maybe we put up a name, something like e-bikes, and small prompt. So today maybe we are generating detailed negative and positive test cases. For the e-bikes order management and inventory management scenarios. Okay, spelling mistakes are welcome, so don't worry too much about that. Select the environment which has your code base, and then we can select how many test cases we want. Maybe, for a quick demo, we just want 2 or 3 test cases, and click on the generate button. These will go inside the activities section. So as we can see that we are running the magic tests, and that activity is still running. But if I go inside my test cases, I've already generated a few test cases for the simple demo using the same environment and code base. And if I go inside in any one of them, there's a simple one wherein we are retrieving order items. There are also another ones like proving a manufacturing order. As you can see, a natural language test case is generated directly from the code base. We can run it right here, right now, without further need to automate it or write any code. And that is how you go from code bases to test cases in a matter of few minutes. Thank you, and see you soon with another lightning feature.